I'm going to hold your hand when I say this. As a nurse, there is absolutely no reason why you can't hit at least 8,000 steps in a 12-hour shift, and that's bare minimum. As a matter of fact, you should be able to hit at least 8,000 steps within a 10 or even an 8-hour shift. Now, you might be thinking, girl, who are you talking to? Who are you addressing right now? I work my butt off. My patients are taken care of. My job is not easy. I'm burnt out by the end of my shift. And the most steps I can usually get is about 5,000 steps. And that's pushing it. Like, girl. So who are you to tell me that there is no reason I can't get 8,000 steps in a 12-hour shift? Well, I can answer that for you. I'm indeed a fellow nurse who gets in anywhere from 8 to 10,000 steps in an 8-hour shift. And I'm not saying that's a brag or boast. I'm literally telling you just to say that it's possible. Even when I was working in an outpatient surgery center in a small PACU unit, I was still clocking no less than 10,000 steps in an 8 to 9-hour shift. The bottom line is this. If you want to level up and reach your weight loss goals as a nurse or any other medical professional, you have to be intentional about getting more movement throughout the day, period. And there is many opportunities that you can seize throughout your shift to get moving and clock you some steps. Before we get started, my name is Candace from That Green Life and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to help you cultivate better, more healthy habits to improve your quality of life. And if you're ready to pivot and level up from the inside out, honey, you are in the right place. Let's get started with tip number 1 on how you can achieve 8,000 steps during your shift as a nurse, whether you work 8, 10, or 12-hour shifts. Tip number 1, take the long way. Instead of cutting through shortcuts and secret passageways and and trap doors, take the long hallways to get from one side of the hospital or one side of your facility to the other. Every extra step counts. Tip number 2, maximize your rounds. Walk through patients' rooms, even if they don't need any immediate attention. It'll help you get your extra steps in and keep your energy up while you check on everyone. Tip number 3, walk and talk. Instead of sitting down for those long chats with your work bestie, take a walk while you talk. Kill 2 birds with 1 stone, catch up on life, and get those steps in. Just remember, if you're talking, you could be walking. Tip number 4, make extra trips. If you need something from the supply room, just grab one thing and then go back. Take a few extra trips throughout the day to stock up on supplies. More steps, less time sitting. Tip number 5, walk to the cafeteria. Don't sit in the break room during your lunch. Walk to the cafeteria or take the long route back to your station after your meal. You're already up, so you might as well keep moving. Tip number 6, take the stairs. Ditch the elevator and use the stairs. Every flight adds up and it's a great way to boost your heart rate and get some extra cardio in during your shift. Last tip number 7, turn charting time into stepping time. Okay, that's a little corny, but just hear me out. If you're using a portable device or have downtime between patients, pace while you chart or take notes instead of sitting down in a chair for 20 minutes. Even slow steps count. Movement is movement, and your legs will thank you later. Now, before you go, I'm going to leave you with this. You have to make the decision to level up and get deep in your bag. And the bag I'm talking about is your health and wellness journey, reaching your fitness goals, taking your health seriously. Nobody's going to do the work for you. And the least you can do to get started is get your steps in. It's the lowest hanging fruit. You don't need any equipment to get started except for some comfortable shoes. I need you to stop making excuses and start increasing your daily steps. Last tip number 7, turn charting time into stepping time. Okay, that's a little corny, but just hear me out. If you're using a portable device or have downtime between patients, pace while you chart or take notes instead of sitting in the chair for 20 minutes. Even slow steps count. Movement is movement. Okay? Your legs will thank you later. And before you go, I'm going to leave you with this. You have to make the decision to level up and get deep in your bag. And the bag I'm talking about is your health and wellness journey, reaching your fitness goals, taking your health seriously. Nobody's going to do the work for you. And the least you can do to get started is to get your steps in. It's the lowest hanging fruit. You don't need any equipment except for some comfortable shoes. I need you to stop making excuses and start by increasing your daily steps. Write in the comments section how many steps you typically take in one shift, followed by your step count goal for your next shift. If you found this video useful, give it a like and share it with someone else. And if you want more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.